very scary.
Alright, today's another day at the office. Can't believe I'm working here. Time to sit down. Alright, let's sit down. Alright. Let's do our documents. Doing my documents. Oh, my computer fell. No, we're still working on documents. Working on these documents. I see a blank document! No blank documents! I don't want to see blank documents! No blank documents! Out the window it goes! Whoa! Out the window! No more PC! Our office desk. And the boss man. No more. I'll leave my office. Everyone has a blank page. Or blank pages. Let me use these. What is happening? Shoot everything. Oh, break this. Punch. No more. Oh! No more blank documents. Blank documents. This ain't the bounce house. Bouncy chair. Oh, it's stuck. No, it ain't. It ain't stuck. Someone's watching the news. Not in my office. Oh, I missed. I'll use the PC or file organizer thing. No more. This is going out the window. There you go. I'll turn back. It's a boomerang. Put that out the window. Oh, it's falling. No more office. Hate the office. Is everyone in the meeting? It's time for the serious meeting. You guys are all failures! 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 More lights in here. And now we're gonna go into overtime. Overtime. It's time for some overtime in the office. Let's pick a floor. Nope. Which floor do I want to go to for the office? This one. I believe I'm working at the office at nighttime. Hate the office. Nighttime. I don't want to work here anymore. I quit. They gave me overtime. Overtime. Overtime sucks. Overtime. What it is? No more. You don't need it. And then office. Office. Exit sign. No more. We don't need safety here. Out the window. Out the window. Is that a dog? We don't need dogs here. No dogs in my office. Or this. Or this. Or pasty. Office sucks. Can we collapse this office? Oh yes, we can. Let's get into the office. Destroy the office. More office. Office is collapsing. Oh no! Get in the office. Get in. Oh! Get out of the office. Oh no! The office is collapsing! Let's make it burn! Burn! Burn up! Burn up with some flames! Need flames! Need flames in the office. Go! Get out! Gotta turn off the fire system. How does this place over here from? Oh no. Why did I use that? Get away! Ooh. Oh, I think I already turned it on. The office! The office in full flames. Let's start some fires like epic further style. What? Missed. Start the fire in there. Now it's a huge fire. Whoa. Now the office could collapse. Let's slice the office. We'll slice this office. What was the buttons again? Oh, it was this button. Here we go. And let's do it like this. Slice! Oh, it's slicing! The building is collapsing! Ooh! The office! It's also on fire! No more office! Let me see this office cubicle when it's collapsing. See my office computer. Oh, we're landing. And those fires. Oh, the office. We gotta get out of here. Out. Let's get out. Gotta get out of the office. Whoa. Collapse. Yeah, that building collapsed. Oh no. Oh! Office is on fire. Alright. That's gonna be the end of the video today.